Silky beat.
Redneck.
NBA in three-point shooting. Steph Curry drives to the middle of the lane. His floater is clear in the game. Draymond Green will skip past Curry in the corner, steps to his spot, hits the three. Towards Curry, switches back to the left hand, attacks, gets to the mid-block, tries to bank it. Keeps it low against Curry. Up fakes, spins on him, into the corner, fall away, got it. Get together. Curry trying to dribble away from Rozier, attacks the right side, stumble, scoop. Ball moved to Curry, quick release on the right side, three is good. And that's all he needs.
Terry Rozier got called up
of 6 to begin this one. Left side three, and to Kyrie, he's got an opening, it's a deep three, and it's good. It's it back from Marcus Morris, he's going to take another three, heat check. Left side, Curry, up fakes on Rozier, loses him, and then drills the three. He's approaching the top 5 in the NBA. Speaking of which, Curry, just watching as Curry jumped like a cat to his left. Now Kyrie, crazy deep three.
Makes you cry.
Steph Curry steps back on Rozier. Three is good. Kyrie off the screen. Catches, drives, draws contact. His runner is up and good. Steph to his right, gets the screen, the open look, and another three. Moves it straight away. Looney not going to look at the rim from there. Curry will. It's back to Curry, and his three is good. Offensive records, that's why. 4 in the shot clock. Kyrie rises over Livingston and knocks down a three. Just to the left hand, drives on Iguodala, stops on the dime in the mid-block, throws it off the left. Never really pulled it down. Curry calls his own number in transition and drills it. And dribble around Draymond Green. He gets near the cup, puts it up and in. Kyrie puts it up.
Really come through with a technical foul call on Carmelo Anthony. They force turnovers and get steals as Anthony.
Dante Jones basically played the first 7 minutes.
He's a big-time scorer. Big-time scorer there. Gets it in on his NBA history. Little flop there from Dante Jones. Carmelo Anthony.
Ryan on the pull-up. Puts
7 of 14.
Same minute in this series.
Upset. With his best season of his NBA career. Free throws. Out of bounds. Bryant open three. Nuggets wanted to go 10. Instead, down the other end. Bryant forces up the shot.
Shut in that first period, allowing us to switch the game. That won't make him happy.
Anthony, one dribble, but it's 24. Catch, shoot, that's a three. That's good. Kobe Bryant getting it Dante Jones' way. Anthony hits a three. When they play good aggressive defense, they are tough to stop. The best players showing up and battling. Pass inside. Anthony has the finish. Gets away from that. Floats it up and in. Bryant falling away. Tough shot. And gets it.
Silky beat.
Redneck.
You know, we just had to push through it. You know, we didn't come out, so a little fatigued, a little tired.
There's a high screen by Adams and a drive by Westbrook for 2 inside to get Harden to guard Russell Westbrook. It's Harden inside. Harden and Westbrook, they haven't guarded each other much. Oh, not good. Right by him goes Westbrook. Oh, my. Quick and as fast as any player in the NBA. Westbrook again with points for Russell Westbrook. Little dance by Harden right into Robertson. Harden, step back dribble. The Thunder, now they got the mismatch. Westbrook over Anderson. Harden right on Robertson. And scoring well for this team in a breakout playoff. Good. One deficit, that's what's in front of the Thunder. Three by Westbrook dancing or reads the defending. 17-footer, that is down. They'll switch, Williams on him, 7-5, 3, good. He's on top by 1. Harden, James Harden. Westbrook to dance at a 3. Got it! Rebound. He puts up a 3, got it! Harden to the rack, and with ease, Westbrook. Shot clock at 9. Harden the drive and a slice. A screen by Robertson. Down goes Beverly. There goes Westbrook. All the way inside Westbrook. Oh, and he puts it up, and the Rockets advance. And Westbrook.
Scored in this game. 20 in a quarter or 30, you never know. Omri Caspi. And kicks out Caspi. Oh, turn the sprinkler systems on. And again, the Kings can't come up with a rebound, and it's right in their midst, and it cost them. Now really had a good chance to kick it out there from Seth Curry. Uh-oh. 53-50. Here's a heat check. Keep them coming, Omri Caspi. Oh, 3 here in the half. Curry to try to answer back. Oh, if you don't like this,
tonight. He's on Paul Pierce. LeBron got shut off. Come to raise up with that easily finished over the top +1. Pierce and lace the jumper. Pierce off the world. Paul Pierce again and will drill another jumper. LeBron a load in jumpers all over Boston. 11 for LeBron. Launched that triple and laced that 3. LeBron with that head fake on Sasha Pavlovich in his first step on the defensive end. It's all about footwork for Sasha. LeBron to unload the jumper and stick it.
It'll stay Boston ball. That's a nice pick on James. Mike Gorman, Tom Hansen, Greg Dickinson, another good one from the TD Bank North Garden. Yeah, gets it to Paul Pierce. Pierce will stop and go to the basket. Pierce again. That defense. Celtics by 2. Back to James.
Short rainbow jumper that went. Pierce, 2-point game. Shot clock at 10. Pierce, wheeling and deep. Can they find it? LeBron James, turn the corner on Zerbiak. Gut-wrenching NBA basketball. And Waiters has gotten aggressive here in the second half. Fade from the field. That's his first three-pointer of the night. Right back away, looking to answer, and he does.